Hello everyone, I'm Preetham.
I'm Shazi Chandri.
And I'm Munafkar Banu.
We're students studying in Christ University, currently in our fourth semester pursuing BCA. So we were thinking about, brainstorming on project ideas, on what do we build to set us out apart, like land as job interviews.
And then it hit us. Every HR team hires, every recruiter has to struggle with huge volumes of applications, and every HR team has to screen a lot of resumes.
So we thought, why not build something that makes their job easier? And that's how we came up with our project. HR applicant system with resume parsing and status filling. Before we get into the system, here's a look at the projects and skills that prepared us for this work.
I've completed an internship with Optimum Info Solutions where I worked as a full stack developer intern and primarily on React.js. I also developed a website for the Italian fintech recruitment company, Adara Recruitment, which will be live by the end of this year. My other projects include a talent casting website, an artwork auctioning manager, a playlist manager, and a debate and email manager.
I too have completed an internship with Optimum Info Solutions, where I worked as a backend developer. I also did an internship at the Center of Research Projects at Christ University as a data analyst. My main projects include a computer vision project, a cybersecurity project, and an ethical hacking project, which are an emotional recognition monitor, a stock analysis platform, and a real-time threat analysis platform.
I have completed an internship at Select Hospital Dubai in the IT department. My projects include a clothing store website, a student app, a hangman vacation game, a record player website, and I'm currently working on a music streaming application. And I've completed several courses on Java, like JavaScript, and other courses like C++ programming, as well as soft skill service certifications such as the DLEAD leadership program.
Hiring today becomes messy very quickly. Resumes pile up, HR teams struggle manual sorting, and tracking someone's status becomes very tedious. So when everything is done by hand, good applicants slip through the cracks. Our solution is a digital hiring assistant that reads resumes automatically, stores the extracted details neatly, and tracks where every applicant is throughout the process.
To bring this idea into life, we're implementing a system which uses a mixture of structured and unstructured databases, where the system is flexible but still realistic to implement. Right. So in the structured information, we use MySQL to store all of the basic details like application information, the name, the qualifications, their skills, etc., etc. We chose it because hiring data has relationships, histories, and clear workflows. But resumes don't behave like that. That's why we chose MongoDB, which is a NoSQL database where we can store the extracted resume information as a flexible JSON file. The backend, which we built using Node.js, takes care of uploading resumes, running them through an NLP parser, extracting skills, experiences, and qualifications.
The front end, which we plan on building with React, gives HR a clean dashboard. They can drag and drop applicants into different stages, search by skill or experience, and receive notifications when a candidate moves to a new step. This implementation approach keeps the workflow simple but powerful, allowing the system to handle real hiring tasks smoothly.
Our system includes feature modules designed directly around HR needs such as resume upload module, parsing engine, applicant job role matching, email alerts and notifications, role-based access control. We also map our solution with the UN Sustainable Development Goals, such as the SDG 8, decent work and economic growth, supporting efficient and fair hiring with quicker shortlisting and timely follow-ups, SDG 9, industry innovation and infrastructure, using automation, NLP, and digital workflows modernizes HR processes.
To ensure that the system works efficiently, we followed a structured requirement and system design process.
So basically, interviewers will create job postings, and from there they will receive applications which log application status history and also result in job offers, and they read resumes. And then further, we also have the skills being logged from the interview as well as the application itself. And the applicant has their own entity where we're logging all of their attributes, and from there we extract their skills, and the application status is being logged while all of this is going on.
This model ensures that the system supports real hiring workflows, from resume upload to interviews to final offer decisions.
Our HR applicant system reduces hiring delays, improves decision making, and brings out complete transparency to recruitment.
Let's HR focus on quality and create a smoother pipeline for candidate progress.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.